In this video, I'll show you how to book car rentals on Skyscanner. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are on car hire on the top left here, because by default it's going to be on flights. Now once we set car hire, we need to choose our pickup location, then pickup date and time, drop off date and time. Just before we hit search, we need to tick that the driver is aged between 25 and 70. And also make sure that, if necessary, you tick return car to a different location. So when we're ready, just hit search. And now it's going to bring us to the screen where we can choose our options. Notice on the left-hand side here, you have tons of filters. So use that as needed. And this pretty much covers the Skyscanner part, because from here, depending on which option we choose, it's going to take us to the specific website where we will actually be doing the booking. So for instance, I'll choose this one from Stress Free Car Rental, and now it's going to take me to their website. I can then click on View Deal or let them email me a quote. And if I click on View Deal, here is where I will complete the hiring process. And that's pretty much all there is to booking your vehicle through Skyscanner. As you can see, the offer is seen on Skyscanner, and you will get any Skyscanner related discounts, but you will be booking through the actual provider. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.